Yes, remove pet hair before cleaning upholstery to prevent trapped dirt and reduced cleaning effectiveness. Start by using a vacuum with the upholstery attachment to remove loose hair, moving in one direction along the fabric to lift fibers and avoid pushing hair deeper. For stubborn areas, use a rubber brush or a dampened microfiber cloth rolled across the surface. The slight tack draws hair without wetting the fabric. Pay special attention to seams, crevices, and under cushions where hair accumulates, working fingers or a crevice tool to dislodge trapped strands before vacuuming again. If you do not have a vacuum, a lint roller or a strip of masking tape wrapped around your hand will pick up surface hair quickly. For woven or delicate fabrics, test a small hidden area first with a damp cloth to ensure no color transfer or distortion occurs. After hair removal, proceed with your chosen cleaning method so cleaning agents can penetrate fibers and lift dirt instead of bonding to hair. The most common mistake is skipping seams and edges where hair hides, which leaves residue and odors. Solve this by separating cushions and vacuuming seams and underlayers thoroughly. A second issue is using too much water or wet cleaning products after hair removal, causing pet hair to mat and stick worse. Use minimal moisture and blot rather than scrub, and allow full drying with airflow. A third concern is relying only on rollers that fill up quickly and lose effectiveness. Resolve that by alternating rollers with a vacuum or swapping to a fresh adhesive sheet frequently so removal stays efficient. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where we and other users share real experience and practical advice about pet care and home cleaning. We help contractors find work by letting them showcase services and participate in community conversations that build trust and visibility.